trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith would be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
Through the pain, through the fire, the struggle, the rain, Spirit lead me, for I am ashamed to come here and start preaching your name, knowing that I'm unworthy to see your face. But through my mistakes I can see your grace. Fall on my face and you pick me up. Broken in pieces, you fix me up. Living in the dark, I appreciate the light. Living in the fear, I appreciate the love. Living all alone, I appreciate my family. Living unforgiven, I appreciate your son. Forgiving my enemies gave me strength, but I couldn't do it without your spirit. Living in the streets trying to gain respect, now I make decisions without my feelings. Spirit lead me, cause my flesh and my heart, it is filled with these evil desires.